A good morning to everyone. Our ship is now docked in Taino Bay. We have been to the Dominican Republic, but this is the first time we docked in Taino Bay cruise port. We did not book any excursions, and our plan is to check out this amazing cruise port. Taino Bay is located in the city of Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. It is built near where the historical landmarks are located. From the port, it only takes a short taxi ride to some of the nicest beaches and attractions. We have overcast sky today, but thankfully the rain has stopped. The Taino Bay port has many amenities, and it is one of the most important cruise ship ports in the Dominican Republic. The port has 20-acre property with a capacity to dock several large ships at the same time. Let's check out what's in store for visitors. After disembarking from our ship, we are walking towards the main port area. The walk from the pier is a bit of a distance, and if you want a free ride from the cruise ship to the main port area, there are a number of tuk-tuk cars that takes you there. This is one very popular spot for photo opportunities. You can take pictures with the locals wearing their exquisite traditional costumes with the pretty and colorful signage. As we enter the main entrance, we see booths offering various tours to visitors. If you have not booked any tour and would like to explore Puerto Plata, there are several tours that might appeal to you. These include city tours, museums, historic sites, cigar clubs, rum factory, and more adventures like catamaran sailing, snorkeling, horse riding, etc. Let's take a look at the various location and layout. With such a large area to explore, this map will help you navigate your way around the many amenities. At a glance, we see legends showing restaurants, bars, shows, photo spot, Monkey Island, and the marketplace. We are entering the duty-free shops offering a variety of goods and souvenirs. It also has a range of daily necessities which you might need during your cruise. The port is beautiful with lots of greenery incorporated. It gives me a feeling of being in a resort. Another photo opportunity with musicians and dancers in their beautiful costumes. There is also great music playing in the background that gets you into vacation mode. Passing by some jewelry stores. This is a gorgeous place with beautiful trees, plants, and colorful flowers. Large spaces and nicely paved walking paths for visitors to enjoy. The swaying palm trees definitely gives a very tropical vibe synonymous with the Caribbean feel. We are in the Caribbean after all. And if you are tired and would like to take a break, there are benches for you to rest. Restrooms are also conveniently located on the premises. Margarita Bar, one of the many bars in the cruise port. We have reached Monkey Island at Taino Bay. This is an attraction where visitors pay an entrance fee to interact with the cute squirrel monkeys inside a sanctuary enclosure. As the monkeys bounces and cling all over you, smile and have these fun photos taken. Visitors also get to feed them too.
It's $25 per person. Okay. And we are scheduling for 2 p.m. So if you only for the Royal Caribbean. event ship.
Yeah, that's at 2 p.m.
Well, you need to schedule if you want to do it.
All right, all right.
Another activity which visitors can pay to experience is the fish spa, where the fishes eat the dead skin off your feet. If you haven't tried it yet, it can be pretty fun and ticklish at the same time. Another photo opportunity with these beautiful parrots and cockatoos. Blue Parrot is located in the heart of the cruise port. It is a casual place to enjoy cocktails or have a meal. If you are in the mood for traditional Dominican fare or delectable Mexican cuisines, there are many restaurants in this port to satisfy your appetite. No swimming pool at Taino Bay is an oasis for visitors, with access to Jurican Lounge Bar, the Dom Dom Pool Bar, and the Casa Palapa Mexican restaurant. It is located in the heart of the port, just before the lazy river pool. Plenty of space for everyone and lots of benches to chill and relax. We are now going towards the splash surfing entrance. A large beach area covered with sand and a surfing simulator. You can also get to enjoy great views of the Atlantic Ocean and the beautiful ships docked at the pier. We are now exploring the lazy pool and other amenities in this area. The lazy river pool is a very entertaining way to spend time in the port. This long pool stretches approximately 300 feet and snakes around a beach lounge area that includes loungers, hammocks, pool bars, and restaurants. This is the entrance to the lazy river. A quick look at the river flow and the places visitors will pass by. Lots of fun for individuals, couples, and families. You will pass by many colorful decorations, restaurants, and bars. Lots of interesting features to enjoy as you float around. More shopping over here. Love how fun these decorations look and accentuate the ceiling of this bar. Lots of places to chill and enjoy a drink or some finger food.
You can listen to music or interesting or whatever it is.
If you are looking at taking a ride, these are the charges to the various destinations. Visitors can choose either a one-way trip or round trip. Credit cards are accepted for the rides. Several options on the type of transportation area available too.
We're here. See ya. Y'all have fun.
Adios, amigo.
Right at the heart of the beach lounge and the lazy river pool, visitors will find the Taino Bay Tiki Bar. A wet bar where you can walk to straight from the lazy river and also from the beach lounge as well. This is a great bar for small groups with scenic views of the surrounding area and the ship docked by the pier. We are walking back to the Welcome Center, trying out the free tuk-tuk shuttle back to our cruise ships. We didn't have to queue long for the ride, as there are a number of tuk-tuk available for the free shuttle back to the cruise ships. Just tell the driver which ship you are from and you will be dropped off right at your doorstep. Our ship will be sailing away soon, and before we say goodbye to the beautiful Taino Bay cruise port, here are some panoramic views from our cruise ship. It is definitely one of the most fun and entertaining cruise port we have visited. If you are not looking at any excursions in Puerto Plata, you will still have lots of fun getting off the ship and enjoy the facilities and the beautiful scenery of this cruise port. Hope you have enjoyed our port tour, and thanks for watching. Have fun cruising and see you at our next port.